Hey, what's up, softball fans? Yep, it's me, Bobby Bugs. And we're going to do a little bounce sound test. Something I like to do just to gauge the sound and some of the harmonics of some of these balls that we're producing. What we got here is, we'll start out with the 52 core Evil Classic Plus. And it's pretty cold out here. I'm in my garage. It's probably about 45, 50 degrees in here. Just want you to hear the sound of this thing hit the floor. Now that's 52 275 Classic Plus dimple cover. Next up, we're going to bounce the 44 400 non-microcell hot technology ball. Listen to the sound of this. This is 44 core 400. Now, granted, it's about 45 degrees in here, maybe 50, so this ball's a little harder than 400, but listen to the sound difference. Okay, 44 400, 52 core. Now, here's the interesting part. You take out the Classic M ball. This is the Evil Classic M, hot technology, 40 core 325, and listen to the sound of this thing. It sounds 10 times harder. It's a 4325 compared to the 44 400. Check this out. Sounds like a firecracker going off. Back to the 44 400. Check the sound. Tell you, man, people don't realize, but the lower the core, the much hotter the ball can be, even with lower compression. All right, that's it for now. The Evil one coming at you.